This video is going to show you how you add images to your page. So you go to this pencil, check out for editing, click on that, go to your page. We'll be working on page 45 just to practice. Let's say you want a background. You choose a background, any category, and I'll select this color green. Just click on it and drag it right over, drop it, and now your page is a different background. You want this one instead, you just drag it over, drop it, and now your page is a different background. You have a photo on here that you do not want. You see this X, you just click delete, the photo's gone. Another box pops up, you don't want it, click delete the frame, and it's gone. So that's one way that you can change your background. If you're interested in different backgrounds, you just click, pick a background, and whatever you want, you just drag it right over, and that could become your new background. So that's all there is to choosing backgrounds. Not much to it, very, very simple. Drag and drop, and that's your background. Drag and drop.